A warm AC in your Ford Escape is often caused by a failing evaporator temperature sensor, and replacing it is the fastest way to get your cold air back. This small probe sits inside the HVAC housing and monitors the core temperature. When it goes bad, it falsely tells the computer that the system is freezing over. The system then cuts power to the AC compressor to protect itself, leaving you blowing warm air. You will usually notice the air is ice cold when you first start the car. After about 10 to 15 minutes of driving, the air suddenly goes completely warm. Turning the system off for a while and back on will temporarily fix it. This happens because the sensor resistance drops out of range as it operates. Before you waste money on refrigerant or a new compressor, check the sensor readings with a diagnostic scan tool. Look at the live data for the HVAC module. If the evaporator temperature reads a negative number while it is hot outside, the sensor is definitely your problem. The sensor is plugged into the side of the evaporator casing under the dashboard. You can access the sensor by removing the lower trim panels under the glove box or driver footwell depending on your exact year. You simply twist the old sensor counterclockwise to pull it out. Slide the new sensor into the slot and twist it to lock it into place. Reconnect the wiring harness and clear any stored codes in the system. Your compressor will now run consistently and blow cold air.